If you're looking to manage your Yahoo Mail settings and disable automatic restrictions, follow these simple steps to regain control over your inbox. Step 1. Log into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Before changing your settings, use the yahoo.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Review security features. In the account security section, look for any features related to automatic restrictions or security settings. This may include options like two-step verification of suspicious activity alerts. Step 4. Adjust security settings. If you find any settings that automatically restrict your account based on activity, toggle them off or adjust them according to your preferences. Make sure to save any changes you make. Step 5. Test your settings. After adjusting the settings, send a test email or perform an action that previously triggered restrictions to ensure that the changes have taken effect and that your account is functioning normally. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable any automatic restrictions on your Yahoo Mail account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.